Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy index funds on Robinhood. First, you'll need to understand what index funds are and why they are a popular investment choice for diversification and low costs. Then, we'll walk through navigating the Robinhood app to find these funds. Finally, I'll guide you on how to research and select the best index funds that align with your financial goals. Once you're in the Robinhood app, use the search bar to look for index funds. You can search for popular options like those tracking the S&P 500, often found as ETFs. Pay close attention to details like the fund's historical performance, its expense ratio, which can range from 0.03% to 1%, and what companies it holds. Comparing these factors will help you choose a fund that fits your investment strategy. After selecting an index fund, decide how much you want to invest. Robinhood allows fractional shares, so you can invest a specific dollar amount, even as little as $1. Choose your order type, typically a market order for immediate execution. Always review all the details of your order, including the amount and fund ticker, before swiping up to confirm your purchase. Your investment will then go through a settlement process. With your index funds purchased, regularly monitor their performance directly within your Robinhood portfolio. To build wealth consistently, consider setting up recurring investments, which is a great way to practice dollar-cost averaging. This automates your investments, helping you buy more shares when prices are lower. Also, remember to check the description below for links to other deals and to learn more about the new Kindle Paperwhite. Keep an eye on your portfolio and adjust as your financial goals evolve.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.